developers. I'm creating this video for this is a follow-up for producer Kafka Producer app. Okay, so I have this IntelliJ open. I'm gonna go here and create a new module. We're using modules to do this. So here's the module. Let's call it Kafka Producer um, demo. Okay, and we're doing it with Maven. Name here, everything looks good. Next, I'm gonna give web. Do we even need web there? Web and Lombok, Lombok. Okay, and finally, let's do, of course, Kafka. Kafka. Now use the one that says Kafka, not this the stream one. Okay, and then we're gonna create. Now in the process of it creating the app, we also need two dependencies, couple of dependencies that we need. Um, over here, head over to um, Maven repository. If this is gonna open, so we need this HTTP client. Uh, Copy that and put it on your dependency over here. Close all this. Close all of this. All right, so we had a Kafka consumer demo. This one right here. My home. I'm gonna add that dependency over here. Okay. Oh my goodness, I didn't even copy it. Okay, here it is. Sometimes these things are just not working. Copy that. Put it here. Okay, and then we also need the other OK HTTP. There are two of them. All right, so we got this one, and there's the other one. This OK HTTP 3, and let's just do the regular OK HTTP. So we did the one with the square up. Let's see what we did. Okay, let's do this one. This is the same square up that we did, isn't it? Okay, HTTP square up. Oh, event source. Event source. So let's do event source. Mm, oh my goodness. I can't find it. This is ridiculous. Okay, let me check it on my other project. It should be there. Um, no, we don't need that. There are three of them. Google event source maybe. Okay, yeah, event source maybe. This is it. And make sure it's by this. I'll show you. Let's get to that first. Okay. All right, and put it here. Make sure it's by this guy, launch darkly. Okay, and then let's compile those and look into it. So I'm on this producer demo app and we'll open here. Oh, by the way, we want to add this as a jar package. So do package and put a jar there. So when it's compiling, everything should be good. And that's running. So on this demo app, always make sure you're on the demo app. Okay, go to source, main, Java, and let's create a few packages. This one we're gonna call it config, and the other package, let's just call another package service, service. that will do it. So on config, now also let's go to our source and property here. Let's put a property for Kafka, right? So we are doing producer, so we'll need a string dot Kafka dot producer. We'll need a key serializer. That will be org dot apache dot Kafka dot common dot serializer dot string serializer. Okay, not this serializer. So that's the key, and we're just gonna duplicate this, but now we'll call it value serializer. Okay, so it's key and value serializer, and that's good. We need the connection. Uh, my Kafka is already running in the background. Kafka Producer Bootstrap, we need that, and it's on localhost, and that's 9092. I think that's all we need for now. So go to your config class. Let's create, let's call this producer demo config. Okay. And we're gonna annotate this with add configuration. Then we create a method in there. It's already suggesting me give it admin, yes. So we want to create a method that would help us create topics. So it has new topic, and then we can return new topic and give it a topic name. Topic, but I want to give it a topic name. Let's call it WikiMedia dot recent change. This recent change, I got it from the website. I will show you that website. It has a number of partition 2 and a replication factor. I think it's 1. Okay, so that one is good there. Let's go to our service and let's create a class. Let's call it uh, wiki pro wiki producer changes. Okay, this one we annotated at service looking good, and let's create a method there that would avoid method that would send, it will send, we say send changes. Let's take it, that's fine, and we'll fill this method with its body. For now, let's create a log for that. Private static final logger. Let's do logger, and then get logger wiki producer change, and let's create um, the Kafka template, and it's suggesting that to us. Let's create a topic, and let's also create a URI. Okay, private static final. Okay, string URL, and we'll get the URL from the website. Okay, not that one. So let's just do this and leave it here. Head over to the website, recent change. This is it right here. Copy that URL. Okay, and it's gonna populate, but we're not concerned with that. Put the URL right here. Let's see if that thing open. I don't know why my internet is running slow. Whatever, we'll get to that. All right, so we got our URL there. Have topic, we have URL looking good. Let's create a constructor here. Public. Yep, so we created a constructor here, and we don't need this string topic in there. We just want that, and this the Kafka template looks good. Now, before doing all of this, we need to create also a handler. Let's put it in here. We only have to put it in there. So we want a wiki producer handler class. This class by itself is going to implement. You have to be very careful with this right here. It implements background. This is the changes they have done. Background handler by this launch darkly. Okay. And it comes with all the methods on complete, on close, on message. Okay. And then let's just put a log here. Private, static, final, logger, logger. Okay, we'll use that log. These methods, we don't need them right now. But the method that we need is on message. Okay. On message, we'll put a log, logger dot info, and let's just say string logger dot info. You want to do a string format, and then we will do events in progress. Let's see, something like that. And once we do events in progress, we just outputting a message, okay? Then we'll do that, and then we can give them message events dot get miss dot get data. Get data. That looks good. Now we also need our Kafka template. Okay, private Kafka template down here. We'll give string, and then we'll also need um yeah, we also need a constructor on that. My IntelliSense is suggesting me all of that, but we need a couple of more things. We need a private string for the topic, okay? And let's just go ahead and add that to this constructor that is created for us here. So we have that, and then we do a string topic, and we have that. And so that constructor is, oh shit, oh shit, is the topic equals to topic. Cool. All right. So now let's call this over here with the producer. We need this Kafka template. This one. We need to call it here because this is the on message. So we need to send Kafka template dot send, and it takes two things: topic and then event that get data. Okay. So this part looks good. And we already use our topic. We can make this to be final. Yeah. Okay. And now let's go to our producer changes, and let's implement the body of this method. In the body of this method, we'll have a few things. One, we need a background handler from, it should be the one that came from launch darkly. Okay. There's another background handler from here. Don't use this one, use this one. All right. So it should be an event handler, and that we will give it to our wiki producer handler. So new wiki producer handler, and you notice it takes two things. It takes a Kafka template and a string topic. So let's give him Kafka template, and then with the topic. All right, that looks good. Now this we will also use in our background event source. That's the changes they've made, because in the past it was event source, but now it's background event source. And make sure it's coming from this guy here. Okay. And then we call it event source and assign it to that, and we can do new um, background event source dot data, And you can see this dot builder has a couple of things. It has back it has background event handler. It takes event and now it also takes an event source builder. So let's put that in there. So we already have our event handler there, and then we'll do a new event source builder. And that builder takes a few things. See, it takes a connection strategy, takes a URI, and then it takes a URL. Okay, so let's do connection strategy HTTP, and then it will take a URI dot create, which we already have there, and then we'll use a URL that we have, and then we'll do a connection timeout. Connection timeout takes a time which is long, so we want to put 5, and then we'll also do time in minutes because we want it in minutes. And this by itself, we'll put it in a thread priority. But when you do that, it just, we don't need that. Put in a thread priority and then do thread dot maximum priority. Now you can build it dot build. Okay, perfect. Now you can also do a call event source dot start. So let's put some log here. Let's say logger dot info sending changes to Wikipedia, and then over here I wanted to say, then this will do a logger info starting background event source. It's suggesting all of this to me. That's pretty good. So um, that looks good there. We have a service. So we've created the three classes that we need. Now let's head over to our start menu over here, and let's do a few things. First, let's implement command line runner, and then let's go ahead and implement the method. It has a run method, a single method, and in that single method, before we do that, let also um, call um, this wiki producer change over here. And in Java, to do that, you first of all need to um, kind of create an instance of it. But since we are in Spring Boot, we will use AutoWire to AutoWire it at AutoWire. Okay, and go in this class and call that Wikipedia producer change dot. It has a send method. Okay, now let's check if there are some places we missed to AutoWire anything. Not this guy. I don't know about him. No, we don't need to AutoWire. We had a bin over here. Let's test the class, see if it will run. Let's test what we've created, see if it will run. So, click here. So what did we call that? We call Kafka Producer Demo. Okay. Before we do that, let's check something. Did we put, we have this. What about the topic? Did we call the topic? Let's put this topic here. So equal to, and let's make this final, static, final. And then remember our topic right here was this. Now, whenever you see something like this, you can right click it and just show context and say save it. So now it will be there like a word that it recognized. Now our topic name wasn't Wikipedia. Our topic name was Wiki Change. So I think everything looks good. Let's go ahead and run it. It's Wiki Produce, not Wiki Producer application. It's Wiki Producer demo. Okay, let's run it and see. We'll look what it will, the output that it will produce in the on the console. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it runs. I see some things are running. Zero, perfect, it's running. So as you can see here, we are outputting what's on that website. Let me go to that website so we'll see if it's, that website is acting funny. Uh, for some reason it's not, but I'll try to show you visit page. See, hopefully it will come. This is it. So you see all this stuff in this website. Now Kafka is streaming it also over here. See them? It's all streaming here. So our configuration looks good. So I hope you understand what I did. In the next video, I will try to I will create the consumer that will be consuming this, and I'll demo that how that works. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.